This is my 10 by 10 tiny A-frame off the grid cabin. It's sitting on a old cistern that was put in, I would say, the late 40s, early 50s, and I was told it used to feed 5 houses. The spring that's behind it used to feed 5 houses in the area. The spring, when I started on it, was in major disrepair. It wasn't working very well, but I was able to get it flowing pretty well. But the cistern was just in terrible shape and couldn't be salvaged. So I used it as a foundation. It's still solid, so I'll build off the top of it. 90%, or actually more than 90%, of this cabin is upcycled or recycled. The metal on the outside was from a building that collapsed back in 2017. The vinyl siding was from a project, leftovers from the project. The whole front, all the windows inside was takeout windows from a house in Chicotee. The flooring is actually solid core doors that we picked out of a roll-off dumpster. All the flashing was found on site. The only thing that I've bought so far is insulation. They're 1-bys for the exterior part of the overhang and the roof, and white J-channel. It's been a fun project so far. I would say I'm about 60% finished. It is passively solar heated, although I am going to add a wood burning stove that I built out of a 30-pound propane cylinder. It does have a sleeping loft, although small. It's usable. I've not yet figured out the ladder design. I'm going to think a little bit on that. I will probably add some flooring to it. Instead of using the doors, add some snap flooring or something like that. I have a lot of that left over from a project. But this is it. Small, efficient. I will probably do some more videos as we go along with this. If you like it, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. As always, thanks for watching.